Are you a new or old TikTok user and your TikTok videos aren't getting enough views? To viral your TikTok video, there are a few tricks and techniques you need to master to viral your TikTok video. So here are the 5 best unique ways to get views on TikTok. So let's jump straight in. Trick 1. Find the best hashtags for your video. To find out the best hashtags for your video, you can open ChatGPT. Now make sure to have your ID. Type find the best tags for whatever video that you're creating. Now copy only the relative hashtag and add them to your video. Trick 2. Make sure to set public account instead of private account. Open the TikTok app, tap Profile, tap 3-dot line, tap Setting and Privacy. Tap Privacy. Turn off private account. Trick 3. Try to be a unique content creator. Ensure your video is interesting, unique, and relevant to your audience. Use trending music, popular hashtags, and eye-catching visuals to grab viewers' attention. Remember, if your video is not something viewers can relate to, they will ignore it. So be mindful of this. Trick 4. Promote your video on other social media platforms. Share your TikTok video on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to increase visibility and reach a wider audience to share it. Open TikTok, tap Profile, now choose your video from here. Tap 3-dot. Now this will give you a direct option to share. Try not to spam your video, just share your video on every social media. Also try to share your video only with those friends who you think would enjoy your video. Trick 5. Enable these 2 settings. Open the TikTok app, tap Profile, tap 3-dot, tap Setting and Privacy, tap Privacy. Tap Suggest your account to other, enable all the setting, go back, tap Sync Contact and Facebook Friend, make sure to enable all the settings. Lastly, tap Location Service. Select While Using. Honestly, after these 5 tricks, your video will blow on the internet, and these are the real and organic ways you can grow on TikTok. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.